Hey folks, James here with Yucateco. In today's video, we are going to do a Chipotle chicken street taco recipe that I think you guys are going to enjoy. Now the best part about this recipe is how simple it is. Everything will be cooked in a crock pot. So before you head to work, just drop all your ingredients in the crock pot, set it to low, and when you get home, dinner is served. And that video is coming up next. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is make a rub for this chicken. We're gonna start with 2 tablespoons of chicken fajita seasoning, which we already have here. To that, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. And we're gonna give this a good mix. Okay, next thing we're gonna do, I've got 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. We're gonna take some of the seasoning right over the chicken. And I'm gonna season both sides. So we'll do the top, flip them over, and do the bottom side. Okay, so we got all the chicken seasoned up. We got the chicken in the crock pot. Let's add the rest of the ingredients. Okay, so we got the chicken in the crock pot. The next thing we're gonna do is take 1 white small onion that I diced up. We're going to take 5 cloves of garlic that I minced up. Add that to the pot. I'm going to add 1 14-ounce can of fire roasted diced tomatoes. Now keep in mind, if you miss anything, all the ingredients and measurements will be listed below. I'm going to add 12 ounces of a lemon lime soda. Use your favorite lemon lime soda. This is going to add moisture to the crock pot and it's going to give it a nice citrus flavor. Next, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of ground Comino, or Cumin as it's also known. And lastly, we're going to add 4 ounces of the Yucateco chili chipotle sauce. This is going to give it a nice kick and tons of flavor. You got everything in there. Gonna give it a good mix. Get the lid on, set it to low, and let it cook. All right, folks, this chicken has been going for about 6.5 hours. We're gonna take a look at it. Listen, if you can smell my kitchen, it smells amazing. I can't wait to try this out. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a couple of forks, shred the chicken up, mix it back in with all the onions and tomatoes and garlic that we cooked it in, and then we'll get these tacos assembled. All right, this chicken is definitely done. Take these bigger pieces and just kind of shred them with a fork. Now you can also pull the whole chicken out, let it cool for a bit, and shred it that way, or you could just shred it in the pot, which is what I'm gonna do. I just find it easier this way. All right, these tacos are ready to assemble. I can't wait. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some of this Chipotle chicken that I pulled apart. Put it over here, and we're gonna add it right to these tacos. All right, so we got the chicken on here. Now we're gonna top it with some onions. We're also gonna add some cilantro right over the top. And then we're going to hit it with a little bit of tortilla cheese right over the top. And lastly, we're going to top this with my absolute favorite, the El Yucateco Chili Habanero Red. This one is my absolute favorite. It's right over the top. If you haven't tried this red, you folks, you guys, you really got to try it. It is excellent. We're going to garnish it with a few limes, and that is it. These tacos are done and ready to taste. This is the best part of the video. I can't wait. Let's give these a taste. All right, so we're gonna take one of these tacos, take a lime, right over the top, and give it a taste. That is excellent. That chili chipotle definitely gave it a nice kick and tons of flavor. If you like this recipe, I hope you guys give it a try. I think you would really, really enjoy it. We will see you guys next time. Take care.